Cooking the perfect steak at home can be a challenge, but with the right appliance, it becomes effortless. The best air fryer for steak delivers juicy, tender results every time, combining convenience, speed, and restaurant-quality flavor in minutes. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Chefman TurboFry Air Fryer. The Chefman TurboFry Air Fryer makes healthy cooking effortless while delivering crispy, flavorful results. Perfect for those who love fried favorites like chicken wings, fries, or Brussels sprouts, this air fryer uses hot air circulation to achieve a golden brown finish with a fraction of the oil. Its 4-in-1 functionality lets you air fry, bake, reheat, and even defrost frozen foods before crisping, ensuring convenience in every meal. The touchscreen interface makes it easy to set precise cooking times and temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, while the HI fry function takes it up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for extra crispy perfection. A unique shake notification ensures even cooking without extra effort, and the XL 8-quart basket accommodates larger meals without crowding. The non-stick dishwasher-safe basket simplifies cleanup, and the sleek stainless steel exterior keeps the kitchen looking sharp. Compact yet versatile, the TurboFry balances performance, space-saving design, and reliability, making it a go-to choice for anyone seeking healthier, quick, and satisfying fried dishes at home.
Number 2. Ninja FG551 Air Fryer. The Ninja FG551 air fryer combines the convenience of indoor grilling with advanced air frying, making it a versatile kitchen companion. With its cyclonic air technology and 500-degree Fahrenheit cooking power, it sears, crisps, and grills food evenly, delivering that authentic barbecue flavor without stepping outside. The Smart Cook system includes a dual-sensor thermometer and protein presets, removing guesswork and ensuring perfect doneness every time, whether cooking steaks, chicken, or seafood. Its family-sized XL grill accommodates multiple dishes simultaneously, ideal for meal prepping or dinner with company. Beyond air frying, it roasts, bakes, broils, and dehydrates, replacing multiple appliances. The smoke control system keeps indoor grilling clean and comfortable, while the 4-quart crisper basket ensures healthier fried textures with up to 75% less fat. Easy to use and highly adaptable, the Ninja FG551 is perfect for anyone seeking an all-in-one solution for quick, flavorful, and consistent results, whether for everyday meals or entertaining guests. Number 3. Cosori 120V Air Fryer. The Cosori 120V air fryer stands out with its powerful Turbo Blaze technology, which delivers high-speed airflow and temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, resulting in perfectly crispy yet juicy meals. Its advanced 5-speed fan system and precise temperature controls ensure even cooking throughout, preventing undercooked centers or overdone edges. The 6-quart square basket is spacious enough for family-sized meals, while maintaining a compact footprint, making it ideal for smaller kitchens. Cosori's upgraded ceramic-coated basket and crisper tray offer a durable, non-stick surface that is easy to clean and resistant to wear. Turbo Blaze operates quietly at less than 53 decibels, keeping the kitchen peaceful even during high-speed cooking. From fries and chicken to steak and vegetables, this air fryer ensures consistent results for a variety of dishes. Combining innovative airflow technology, spacious capacity, and premium design, the Cosori 120V air fryer delivers efficiency, reliability, and superior cooking performance for families and busy home cooks. Number 4. Ninja AF141 Air Fryer. The Ninja AF141 air fryer is designed to deliver crisp, delicious meals with minimal oil, making it ideal for anyone looking to enjoy healthier fried foods. Its air crisp technology uses 400 degrees Fahrenheit superheated air to surround food, producing golden brown results for fries, chicken wings, and more. The 5-quart basket and crisper plate provide enough capacity to cook up to 4 pounds of French fries or 5 pounds of wings, making it great for families or gatherings. With 4 cooking functions, air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, this appliance covers a wide range of meal options.
The AF141 also allows frozen foods to cook to a crispy finish in minutes, saving time during busy days. Its compact design helps save countertop space, while non-stick components make cleanup easy and hassle-free. Reliable, versatile, and efficient, the Ninja AF141 is a solid choice for anyone seeking a high-performing air fryer that simplifies everyday cooking.
Number 5. Nutrichef 5.8 Air Fryer. The Nutrichef 5.8 Air Fryer offers precise, reliable cooking for a variety of meals, including steak, chicken, shrimp, fries, and more. Its adjustable temperature control up to 390 degrees Fahrenheit and timer settings up to 60 minutes allow for consistent results tailored to individual preferences. Equipped with 360-degree hot air circulation technology, it cooks food evenly and quickly, ensuring a perfect balance of crispiness and tenderness. The 5.8-quart basket accommodates family-sized portions, while the LED touchscreen and transparent window make monitoring cooking progress simple. Safety features such as automatic shutoff and overheat protection enhance user confidence, while the non-stick dishwasher-safe tray makes cleanup a breeze. Compact yet powerful, the Nutrichef air fryer combines convenience, versatility, and efficiency, allowing you to enjoy fried favorites with up to 75% less fat. Whether preparing everyday meals or experimenting with new recipes, this air fryer is a dependable addition to any modern kitchen. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.